and dreams are made.
Walking through the bustling streets of Manhattan, you can feel the energy and excitement that permeates the city. From the towering skyscrapers of Midtown to the trendy neighborhoods of Brooklyn, there's something for everyone in this metropolis. Despite its fast-paced and competitive atmosphere, New York City is also a place of great diversity and inclusivity. People from all walks of life come together here, making it one of the most cosmopolitan cities in the world. As you explore the city, you'll find world-class museums, theaters, and restaurants, as well as hidden gems tucked away in quiet corners. Central Park, the Statue of Liberty, and the Empire State Building are just a few of the iconic landmarks that make New York City so recognizable. But beyond its cultural and historical significance, New York City is also a place of resilience and perseverance. From the tragedy of 9/11 to the challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic, the city has shown time and time again that it can bounce back and come back stronger. In short, New York City is a city like no other, a place that will capture your heart and leave an indelible mark on your soul.